Before you got treated for the alcohol or drug addiction habit, you were falling behind in life. You could not be at your best. You were constantly struggling with cravings, which was caused by what is known as the craving self. Okay, so later you finally completed the rehab treatment. How long did you spend there? Was it 4 weeks, 8 weeks, or even 6 months? What was important is that the cravings no longer bothered you. It felt like it was gone or it was very far away. You even told yourself you will never go back to drinking or using drugs again. So you finally got back home. Life seemed to be going well. Suddenly something happened and your family members insulted you. They provoked you. Did they get you angry? Did they get you sad? Well, it doesn't matter what they did. The moment you allowed yourself get emotional, you allowed yourself come close to your first trigger. Can you also remember when you met up with your old friends? The ones you drank alcohol with or the ones you used drugs with in the past? That was when you encountered your second trigger. Or maybe just because money had entered your account. Now I know you need to buy things with money, but the moment that money entered your account, this was your third trigger. Just because you came in contact with at least one of your triggers, the craving self started acting. This is what it did. First, it started by planting seeds inside you. Remember those thoughts, those images that comes to your mind when you are alone or bored. Sometimes it's like you are daydreaming or having flashbacks. So maybe you could see a past memory of yourself drinking or using drugs with old friends. Sometimes you see images of how people were unfair to you or betrayed you because you allowed the images to play from the beginning to the end without stopping or interrupting it. Those planted seeds were able to produce emotions, which then made the seeds to become trees. So the craving self planted images inside you, which forced you to experience emotions and restlessness. And finally, the end result was strong cravings. Once this happens, the craving self has been restored back to its former glory. And just like before, you will start losing your achievements. Your life will just be a daily struggle with the cravings. You would not be able to move forward. So, be very, very afraid of your triggers. You must know your triggers because the triggers are the only thing that activates the craving self to produce cravings. Once the craving self is active, you may be finished because I have not yet taught you how to handle this wicked craving self.